Hi, Ethan. Are you the only one there? It looks so dark and vague. Are you sure we can start now?
Sorry, you know we are. What about we meet later?
Hi, Lucas. Come on, we need your help.
Hi, I'm coming. I think you might need this. C5A0 4K integrated USB camera. This is a 3-in-1 USB camera with a built-in camera, microphone, and speaker. It's tailored for small rooms of 5 to 8 people, which helps you flexibly carry out daily business meetings and team collaboration remotely. Let's unbox it. In the box, we can find the user manual, power adapter, power cable, remote control, USB cable, wall bracket, and the camera. You may also need information about the size, weight, and interface. Now, let me highlight the marvelous functions of the C5A0. It has a 4K Ultra HD camera, 121-degree wide field of view with plus or minus 15-degree horizontal and pitch lens adjustment. It also supports auto framing, which can automatically adjust the frame and angle to center the people on camera. All these functions make the picture crystal clear and easier for participants to be videoed. That's not all. The built-in beamforming microphone and full-frequency speaker offer extraordinary sound quality without interference. Combined with the functions of automatic voice tracking and the Audio 3A algorithm, C5A0 meets the user's needs for comfortable and clear remote communication. It's also very easy to install and operate. You can choose to mount it on a desktop, wall, or monitor. Then easily connect it to a PC via USB cable, or use it as a speakerphone by connecting it to a mobile phone or other devices via Bluetooth. Finally, log on to popular video conference software such as Skype, Teams, Zoom, and more. Now, enjoy your meeting.
Hi, Kiki. We're back. How's it better now?
Wow, it looks much better. Let's get started.
Okay, we will try our best to follow this project.
Good job. We are waiting for your further results. Bye.